English together.
Hey, Angela, what are you doing here?
Hi, Alex. I'm buying a burger for lunch.
Nice. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like their fries. How about you?
I like their fries too. Do you eat here alone?
Yes, just me today. Do you want to join me?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Do you work today?
No, today is my day off.
Lucky you. I have to work at 3.
Oh, what do you do?
I work in a flower shop.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I love flowers. The shop smells very good.
I like flowers too. Maybe I can visit your shop.
Sure, come anytime.
Burger.
Burger.
Fries.
Fries.
Flower.
Flower.
Day off.
Day off.
Hey, Angela, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me?
Today is my day off. Today is my day off. Today is my day off.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.